Welcome to experiencedoha.com. Today, we venture into a realm of unparalleled luxury, exploring Doha's most extravagant hotels. Each hotel is a testament to architectural grandeur and exceptional service. Join me as we uncover the treasures that await in the heart of Qatar. Our journey begins at the St. Regis Doha, a beacon of timeless elegance gracing the shores of the Arabian Gulf. Imagine stepping into a world where every detail whispers sophistication, from gleaming marble floors to intricate chandeliers. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor impeccable service and luxuriate in a bygone era. The renowned St. Regis butler service caters to your every whim, ensuring an extraordinary stay. Unwind on a private beach, the warm Arabian sun kissing your skin as you sip a refreshing cocktail. Or surrender to the culinary mastery of world-class chefs, each dish a symphony of flavors. The St. Regis Doha is more than just a hotel. It's an experience of refined luxury. We venture into Masharab downtown, where Qatar's rich heritage blends seamlessly with modern life. Discover the Mandarin Oriental, Doha, an urban sanctuary embodying tradition and contemporary design. Step inside to find elegant lines, intricate details, and a soothing palette evoking tranquility. The Mandarin Oriental experience is all about personalized service, ensuring your every need is met with warmth and care. Our journey takes us to the Pearl Qatar, a man-made marvel rising from the Arabian Gulf. Here, we discover Marsa Malaz Kempinski, a palatial resort embodying opulence. Imagine sprawling suites with private balconies offering breathtaking views of the marina or the Arabian Sea. Days are spent basking in the sun on a private beach or exploring vibrant coral reefs. As the sun sets, be captivated by the culinary artistry at Marsa Malaz Kempinski's dining venues. Each restaurant is a celebration of culinary excellence. Our quest for luxury leads us to the Four Seasons Hotel Doha, a beacon of sophistication and serenity. Imagine a world where the gentle rhythm of the waves lulls you into blissful relaxation. Step into a realm of understated elegance, with spacious rooms offering breathtaking views. Days at the Four Seasons are an invitation to embrace the art of leisure. Unwind on the pristine beach or surrender to the healing touch of expert therapists at the spa. As the sun sets, embark on a culinary journey through the hotel's exceptional dining venues. Each restaurant promises an unforgettable dining experience. Our exploration takes us to the Ritz-Carlton, Doha, a testament to modern elegance and refined living. Imagine a world where sleek lines and contemporary design create a haven of sophistication. Step into the grand lobby, a symphony of light and space, welcoming and awe-inspiring. Relax in spacious rooms with breathtaking views of the marina or city skyline. As the sun dips below the horizon, embark on a culinary adventure through the Ritz-Carlton's award-winning restaurants. Each dining venue promises an unforgettable gastronomic experience. Our journey culminates at W Doha, a hotel pulsating with energy and style. Imagine a world where bold design meets playful sophistication, inviting you to embrace the unexpected. W Doha is a haven for those craving an energetic and social atmosphere. Lounge by the wet deck, surrounded by the city's most stylish residents. Unwind at the Away Spa, where innovative treatments leave you refreshed. Experience W Doha's vibrant culinary scene, each dining venue offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Doha, awaits. Your luxury escape. We've journeyed through unparalleled luxury, from the St. Regis to W Doha. Each hotel a unique expression of opulence. But the true magic of Doha lies in its spirit, embracing both tradition and modernity. Explore ancient souks, marvel at masterpieces, or soak up the sun on pristine beaches. This is just a glimpse of the treasures that await. Which of these extraordinary destinations will you choose for your next unforgettable escape? Let us know in the comments below.